Now let us see how to make attendance sheet and test mark sheet using Excel. Here I got Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. We have to use Microsoft Excel. So I'm just clicking on to Excel sheet. You'll get a spreadsheet now. So for example, here you can see two options like open and plus symbol along with new option. I'm going to click into this new and create a blank workbook. So here the spreadsheet has been opened. For example, I have been taking for class 6 standard. You can write like class 6 and you can write attendance, and then you can write names, and you can write the month, which month you are going to take. For example, this month is September, so I'm going to write September, and you can write the students names as well. For example, Arjun, and if he is present you can use the letter X. If he is absent you can write A. Okay, for example Bala, and if he is absent X, like this. And if you wanted to make it colorful, you can select the cell which you need to be colorful, and in the top you can see the options like A with pencil symbol, so which means edit. So there if you click you can see this options like Calibri body, which means it is in 11 the font size, and in the next line you can see B, which means bold, italic and underlined, and borders are there, and below that fill color is there. So if you click on to this arrow mark you can see so many colors. So for example, if I am using this color, that will be reflected onto the cell. So whatever the color is needed to you, you can select onto that. And for example, if you wanted to add dates in between, if you wanted to add one more student in it, you can use these options. For example, here if you select in this third option, you can see clear, fill, insert, delete. For example, if you wanted to insert one more line, you can just click on insert. So new line has been created. There you can write, for example, below September you can write the date. For example, date is 10, like that. That's it. This is how we will use for attendance sheet. You can write their names as well as you can write the present and absent in it. If it is very bigger to you, you can make it smaller like this. Just drag onto the cell and then bring it to the closer. And same as it is like test marks also. For example, instead of writing this present absent, I'm just going to write test. Text marks, and here you can write like maximum marks. If you wanted to increase the size, you just drag onto the cell. For example, click onto the A and you can even drag onto this like lengthier as well as smaller. If you can expand it, and here you are going to write like maximum marks. If you are keeping for 40, you can write down 40, and then you can enter the marks which they have been got. So like this you can prepare two worksheets like test marks and as well as attendance. So in case if you in the same sheet itself, you can the bottom you can see like option plus in the left corner. So if you click onto this, you'll get one more sheet. So you can create it for the next class also here. So if you click on to the next class, you may get sheet number 3. So according to your classes, you can create new pages according to that. Thank you.